In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. By the end, you'll know how to reach Binance from a Google search and log in on your computer using the QR code method, which is fast, secure, and avoids typing anything sensitive on a shared keyboard. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type the word Binance and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Binance website result rather than any ads at the top. The legitimate domain you want is Binance.com. Taking a second to verify the URL helps you avoid lookalike sites, which is especially important when you're accessing a financial account. Click the official result to open the Binance homepage. Once it loads, glance at the address bar to confirm you're truly on https://www.binance.com and that your browser shows a secure connection. Depending on your region, the site design may vary slightly, but the main navigation and sign-in options will be in familiar places. On the home page, find the Login button, usually located in the top right corner. Click it to go to the sign-in page. Here you'll see multiple ways to log in. Instead of entering an email and password on the computer, switch to the QR code login option. This method is convenient and helps protect your credentials from keyloggers or anyone peeking over your shoulder. A square QR code will appear on your screen. Now grab your mobile phone that's already signed in to the Binance app. Open the app and locate the built-in QR scanner, typically found near the search bar or in the scan icon on the home screen. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer and hold it steady until the code is recognized. If your app asks you to confirm the login or use biometrics, approve it only if you initiated this session. If anything looks off, cancel and try again from the official site. QR codes are time-limited, so if it expires, simply refresh the page to generate a new one. After you confirm on your phone, your computer session will log in automatically and take you to your Binance dashboard. That's it. You started from a Google search, selected the authentic Binance site, chose the QR code login, and completed the sign-in securely with your mobile app. Keep these habits every time you access your account. Verify the domain, use the secure QR method when possible, and only approve prompts you initiated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.